Towers Vireo, and then ang tapat niya is a fitness park. Before that, Ayala Land Premier residential lot. And then ito po yung mall. Yung mall na ginagawa, Ayala Malls. So, by in 3 years time, to-turn over na po itong Ayala Malls. And then there's also a Seda Hotel sa may nakadikit po dyan sa Ayala Malls. So, Orca South, it's a 74-hectare development of Ayala Land. It's a mixed-use development, so may malls, may residential, may corporate offices, may Seda Hotel. So, ang maganda it's the next Bonifacio Global City. So, lahat, mapapansin nyo, walang mga wiring here inside Orca South. Kasi lahat is underground na po. So, ayan po yung Seda Hotel. And then, the mall is like Greenbelt and Glorieta combined. It's 32,000 square meter land area. So, ito may mga offices na po na existing here inside Orca South. And then, madadaanan ko dito. On the right side is yung Landers. Here po, the Landers. Open na siya ngayon. So, pag may mga kailangan nyo mag-grocery, walking distance na lang yung Landers. And then, yan po, marami ng mga office building na nakatayo na dito sa Orca South. So, kung ipaparent natin yung unit, napakadami nating tenants here. Lalo na sa future kapag na-develop na rin yung ibang mga commercial blocks. So, on the right side, nandyan na yung mga residential tower ni Ayala Land Premier, Alveo, and Avida. Ayan, and ayan po. So, on the right side yan. So, naka-section yung ating yung planning here inside Orca South. So, on the left is Alveo Properties. Ayan po. And on the right, nandyan po si Ayala Land Premier and Avida. And then, meron na rin Caltex Station dito. Inside, katabi ng Landers. So, dun din, malapit sa Vireo Tower, merong Healthway. Healthway Cancer Care Hospital. So, they specialize in, yung mga oncologist. In Healthway Cancer Care Hospital. So, marami rin din pong tenant na nagre-rent dito. Sa, ito, Avida to, One Union Place. So, nung nilaunch namin si One Union Place, mga less than 2 million for a studio unit. Ngayon, nasa 5.5 million yung ating studio unit. So, this is Healthway Cancer Care Hospital. And then, One Union Place, we're going to have retail shops sa ground floor na pinaparent ng Ayala. And then, this is One Union Place, and then ito na yung Vireo. Vireo, it's a 3-tower development, katulad ng One Union Place. So, ayan po. Avida Towers, Vireo.